Kavita had a beautiful life with her husband and son. But one day, everything changed. Her husband passed away in an accident. Kavita's world shattered when her husband passed away unexpectedly. In a moment, she became a widow, alone with her son. She had no job. Society told her a woman cannot survive alone. Relatives pressured her to remarry, saying, "You need a man to take care of you and your child." But Kavita didn't accept this fate. She looked at her son and thought, "I am not weak. I will build our future myself." With little savings, she tried to find work, but no one wanted to hire a widow. People doubted her abilities. Even her own family told her to stay within limits. She took small jobs, cleaning, stitching, and even cooking for others. Despite exhaustion, she never let her son see her pain. One night after working late, she held her sleeping son and whispered, "One day, I will give you the life you deserve." One day she saw an online video about homemade snacks being sold online. Inspired, she started making small food items and selling them in her neighborhood. At first, she only made a few sales, but she didn't stop. She improved her recipes. She used social media to promote her snacks. She gained loyal customers. Months later, her small home business became a brand. With growing income, Kavita enrolled her son in a good school, rented a better home, hired other struggling women to help, giving them jobs. The same society that once pitied her now respected her. One day a relative asked, "How did you manage without a man?" Kavita smiled and said, "A woman doesn't need a man to survive. She needs strength, courage, and belief in herself. A mother is not weak. She is the strongest warrior who can fight any battle for her child's future."
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with a friend who might need it, and subscribe for more motivation content.